Hello students, welcome back to our one more math session. I hope you are enjoying our math sessions and I heard that. So let's start with today's session. As we know, smallest one digit number is 1 and greatest one digit number is 9. We are knowing that 1 to 9 number are single numbers and we are writing it in ones column. So let's see here how we are writing next numbers. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 squares are there. So we are telling it as 9 ones. And we are writing it as 9. When we will add one more square in this one, it will become 10 ones. And these 10 ones will convert as a strip. Then we are telling it 10 ones. This 10 strip, it will shift in tens column because 10 is a 2-digit number. When we will shift the strip from ones column to the tens column, it will become 110 0 ones and we are writing it as 10. Its spelling is T-E-N. And this 10 is smallest 2-digit number. In the same way, we are going to write the numbers till 99. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. In ones column, when we will add one more square, it will become 10 ones. So it has become 9 tens and 10 ones. As we know, 10 ones means 110. So we are shifting this 10 strip in tens column. Now it will become here 10 tens, 0 ones. As we know, 10 tens means we are writing 100. So these 10 tens will shift into hundreds column. When we will shift all tens strips in hundreds column, it will become 100. So 100, 0 tens, 0 ones we are writing as 100 and in spelling O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. So children, this 100 is our smallest 3-digit number. The same way we are writing the numbers till 999. This 999 is 3-digit greatest number. When we will add one more square in ones column, it will convert into 10 ones. As we know, 10 ones means 110. So this strip we are shifting in tens column. So these tens will become 10 tens and 0 ones. As we know, 10 tens we are writing as 100. So these all strips will convert into 100 square. So we are going to shift these 10 tens in hundreds column, so it will become here 0 tens, and in this 9 square one more square will increase, so here it will become 10 hundreds. So here it become 10 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. This 10 hundreds it will become 1000. See students, we are writing 1000 as 1000 means In front of 1, we are writing 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. And in words, we are writing it as ONE1 THOUSAND, thousand. This 1000 is our smallest 4-digit number. Students, just now we have seen how we can find out the 1000 number. And 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Now you have to open page number 19. Okay, page number 19 is your exercise 1A or first exercise. Here, write the number of hundreds, tens and ones in the following. Also write the number. One has been done for you. So one is done for you. It has given here. See, hundreds, 2 boxes are there. So 2 hundreds. Then 4 strips of tens. So here we have written 4. And here nothing is there in ones column. So 0 ones. So the number is 240. Okay, you can write HTO also. H for 100, T for tens and O for ones. So here you can write like this way. So you can write the proper number. Now see here, hundreds, how many are there? 3 hundreds are there. Then 2 10 strips are there. And 3 single boxes are there. So 3. So what is your number? 323. Next one, see. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes of hundreds are there. So 4 hundreds. Then next one, there is strips of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strips of tens. Oh, so here you are writing 5 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 single squares are there. So we are writing 5, 1. So what is the number? Here in HTO you can write down 400. So hundreds column 4 number, tens 5. So under tens column we'll write 5 and ones column we are writing again 5. Next one we'll see. Here, see how many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 hundreds are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tens are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are there. So here our number is under hundreds column there is 5. Tens column 6. And ones column we are writing 5. So your answer is 565. Next one we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 hundreds. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 tens and ones. No boxes there. So we are writing here 0. So in hundreds column which number will come? 6. 600. 7 tens. So 7. And 0. So our answer is 670. Now next one we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 hundreds. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 1. 979 is our answer. We will write here 979. Now students, let us see how to read the number. See students, here I will write one number 4, 5 and 0. So how to write it? First how to read we'll see. Here in hundreds column 4 is there. So 400 we have to tell here 400. 5 tens. 5 tens means 50 we are telling it. 50 and 0 ones is there, so nothing is there. So what you are writing here? 400 50. Like this way we have to write. One more sum I'll take here. 700 160. So 7 is in hundreds column. So we are telling it 700. Here 1 tens and 6 1. So together we have to take this number. What we are telling it? This we are telling 50. So we have written 50. Now this one is 16. So we are writing 16. Now here 700. We'll write here 700 and 16. Okay, one more sum we'll see here. Okay, I'll take here 2, 7 and 8. So 2 is in hundreds column. So we are writing 200. Then 78, like this way it is there. Two numbers together. So 78. Like this way we are reading this number. So students, try to read the 3-digit numbers. We'll meet in the next session. Bye bye.